Hello, my reading lovies. Are you ready for a different kind of work today? This slide says, what sounds do you hear? And today I'm not going to worry about the letters that make up words, how we read them. We're just going to talk about the sounds that are in that word. We practiced this a little bit in the pool, and I told you I would make some words for you. All right, so here's the first one. The word is hat. What sounds do you hear? Now, when I say hat, if I say it in slow motion, I say at. Now, you know the letters that those sounds make, but we're not worried about that. I want you to say at, like you're saying it in slow motion almost. And with my class, I told you that I have them, the first sound that they hear, they put their hand on top of their head. The second sound, they put their hand on their shoulder. The next sound comes down to their waist. And if there were more sounds, they would keep moving their hands down their body. That's just an easy way to remember how many sounds are in a word. There's how we spell it. At. All right. Ham. Give me just the sounds, not the letter names. Great. And the way we write that is ham. All right, how about map? App. Three sounds. App. All right, remember what he's getting out of the tree? We call it sap. They turn it into syrup, and you can use it on pancakes or waffles. Sap. Tell me the sounds. Good. Sap. All right. Pan. Pan. And the letters that make those sounds are p, a, n. But I don't want you to say P-A-N. We're not talking about the letter names today. We're just talking about the sounds that those letters make. He's getting a tan. All right, good job. T-an. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. Now, this looks like bite, but I'm going to call it nip. He's just taking a little nip. N-I-P. Nip. How about ant? A-N-T. Ant. He's mad. Okay, say it in slow motion. Mad. And then tell me the sounds. M-A-D. Mad. That's a pad of paper. Pad. That's a pot. P-A-T. Pot. That's a top. 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 Oh, he is hot. Hot. That's a mop. Mop. That's a mom. Mom. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. All right, here's a bonus because it's going to be more than 3 sounds. The word is stop. Let me say it in slow motion. St-op. St-op. Stop. Here's bonus. Pants. Now that's going to be even more. Say it real slow. P-ants. All right. P-ants. Okay. Don't run the N and the T together. P-ants. How about stamp? Stamp. These are a little longer. That's why I'm calling them bonus words. I'll say it in slow motion. Stamp. Now, sometimes my friends say st for the first sound, but there's no letter that makes the sound st. It's st. Amp. St. Amp. Stamp. Good work. Good boys.